Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. So what you're going to have to do is to simply close Snapchat and then simply go to your settings, then scroll down and simply tap on general, and then here you're going to have to go to your iPhone storage and then simply scroll down and look for the Snapchat app, and after that you're going to have to simply tap on offload app and then simply wait. Now, all you have to do is to simply tap on reinstall app, and basically you're going to have to wait until the app is reinstalled on your phone, and basically that's how you can fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.